Hi everyone, welcome to Math 250. So in this video I'm going to go over the syllabus for the course. So I'm on Canvas here, so the Canvas site for our class. So on Canvas you'll see home, announcements, grades, modules, discussions, and assignments. So to get to the syllabus, you're going to click on modules. Okay, then you'll see online material. Below it you'll see syllabus, click on that. Okay, let's open it in the bigger window here. So click up here. Okay, so here's our syllabus for the class. So Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, 1 to 305. Okay, so the textbook is Larson and Edwards Multivariable Calculus, 10th edition. If you look online, you can probably find a free PDF of this textbook. Also, you can use an earlier edition of this book. It's fine with me. Okay, so here's how the class will be set up, the main things here. So I'll be taking attendance, so I'll explain in a different video how you sign in to class. Okay, and also the class lectures will be on Canvas, so I'll talk more about that in a different video also. But the homework, I will assign it, but I will not collect it. But you should look at it to make sure you'll do better on the quizzes if you do your homework. So the way the class will be set up is there'll be quizzes, tests, and a final. That's how you're going to earn your points. There'll be 9 quizzes during the semester, and you'll have 1.5 hours to complete each quiz. And there'll be a 1% penalty for every minute that your quiz is late, so make sure you turn your quiz in on time. And you can drop your lowest quiz score. Okay, so I'll take your best 8 quizzes, then you can drop your lowest 1. And then your tests. So there'll be 2 exams and no makeup tests. You'll have 2.5 hours to complete each test. And again, there'll be a 1% penalty for every minute your test is late. So again, in a separate video, I'll explain how you take the quizzes and tests on Canvas. And then there'll be a final exam. The final exam will be 3 hours. And again, it'll be 1% penalty for every minute that you're late. And your final exam score can replace your lower test score. So for example, if say on test 1 you got 75, test 2 you got 80, and the final you got 85, say. In that scenario, your final exam score at 85 would replace the lower test score, so the 75. But you do have to take the final. The final is 30% of the grade. The quizzes will be 40% of the grade, and the test will be 30% of the grade. Okay, let's keep going on here. And the letter grades are the standard. And tutoring, I'll probably send an email about tutoring later. Okay, study tips, you can look at that yourself. So if you have a disability and you need an accommodation, let me know, and we can work something out. Okay. Let's see, important dates, you can look at those. Okay, but let's go down here. It has the tentative schedule. So the first week we'll be doing module 1, and there'll be a quiz on Thursday, quiz 1. And then on week 2, there'll actually be 2 quizzes. So it'll be module 2, quiz 2, module 3, quiz 3. So pretty much every week there'll be a quiz or an exam, and in some weeks there'll be 2 quizzes. So I'll explain more about how you can access the modules. So the modules will have the content for the class. So I guess that's the main things on the syllabus here. All right, so let's leave it there.